going to look how to remove this background color from the background color. They usually call it green screen. So I did not want to use green screen backgrounds. I wanted to use any other color such that you can remove any other color. Be it what, maybe green, maybe what, any other color, not only green. Yeah. So I'm going to remove the red color. Yeah. So it can be any other color, either blue, but not white, not black. Any other color now. Yeah. So this is it. Let me put it in play so that it appears in this. This is going to be the background, and this is going to be the object. Okay. This one is 2. Let me call this one 3. Call this one 2. Isn't it? Okay, let me call this one 3. Call this one 2. Am I right? No. Then put this one in quick play. It's okay. Let me put this one 2. It's okay. This one is 3. It's okay. This one, the back it is in the background. And let me give this one my TV log 1. Yeah. Let it be like that. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So we are going to remove the red background. Let's start like this. So it starts. You select your object. Here we are. So we have so many options here. Yeah. We are going to say color key. For color key, this is how we choose. We want to select the color key. Okay. So you can choose any other color, maybe white, maybe what. Let's first choose black and we see. And we see color key. I think. So we want to choose which color. Maybe we can reset everything because everything is now preset. So I want to remove the red color. So after selecting, remove the red color, then you start to fine tune. Yeah, Chroma key filter. Then you go on, filtering, maybe up to somewhere. Yeah. Then you can also fine tune until you get where you want. Okay. So you fine tune, just adjust these ones until you get what you want. Okay. Yeah. Like saying, listen, you fine tune. You're seeing this. So you have to fine tune until you get something you want. Getting it? So these are the things we use. Okay. Other people use these ones. Okay. Yeah. So it's all about that. But I prefer not to auto chroma key preset. I prefer to set it for myself so that I get really what I want. Yeah. I prefer to preset it for myself. Yeah, as you can see, you can minimize. I've got what I wanted. As you can see clearly, I have what I wanted. You can see now the object has even a background. So that's how is that's how we remove the background using vMix. Yeah, we saw how to remove background using OBS. Now how to remove background using vMix. So this is how we make green screen. Yeah. Movies, what? This is how they remove green screens. You see now I'm in a library.